Today is a little bittersweet. I am packing, making space, and letting go. And it got me thinking about endings and how we perceive endings. نهايات وطريقة باش نشوفوا النهايات in our mind, how it makes us feel, just the word itself. So I wanted to talk about it. Why? I'm downsizing my closet. خصني نقص لو ماكسيموم. ديجا نقص but I need the smallest. حياتي خاصني نكون قادرة نتحرك maximum 2 suitcases باش نقدر اني نمشي فين ما بغيت. So can we make that? Can we not? I don't know. Let's try. But we will start. I'll start choosing the dresses first. And at the same time, we will talk about what we want to talk about. عرفتي باش حلوين نجي ولكن نجيب عليا بزاف. So we're not getting rid of this ever. النهايات ماشي كاملين الصراحة خايبين. Obviously duh. But بغض النظر على واش خايبين ولا ما خايبينش, they still give us a bad feeling. So we still need to talk about them regardless. بجوج بيهم كيعطيونا bad feelings. But بعد النهايات كتكون invitation a new chapter. It's like you're playing a game and then you finish واحد stage and it's time to move on to the next one, you know? It's not, that's actually what you wanted, but it doesn't always feel good or nice. And how we feel, it's not always the wisest factor to consider when it comes to our life choices. ماشي ديما. Okay, well, أصلا everything is balance. Everything is not always the rule. But هذاك الإحساس الخايب هو اللي كيخلينا بعض المرات ما كنبغيوش نطلقوا من الحاجة واخا حنا عارفينها انها ما مزياناش لينا. كتكون عارف هذيك الحاجة ما خداماش ليك. كتكون your soul is craving new. Your soul is begging you to move on from the routine, to move on from the bare minimum, but you still don't have it in you to just move on. So I think it's very important that we kind of reflect on the situation اللي وقع فيها and then to see where we are, you know, like, okay, is this a bad thing, a good thing? Is this ending going to take me into an improved state, an improved lifestyle, or is it just going to be like a waste of time? Rarely the case. And I think the answer to that is very simple. إذا كانت situation ديالك اللي انت فيها حاليا ما كترضيكش نهائيا, it does not speak to your soul, it doesn't give you any light, I think the answer is clear. The answer is clear أنه the ending is needed. خاصة إذا كنتي consciously you are trying to manifest something new. You have to expect the endings to come along. حاجة باينة. ميمكنش the new that you asked for غادي يجي وغادي يتحط in an uncleansed place. Holy motherfucker! What the fuck happened? Holy shit, I love this dress. Well, I love all of my dresses, but I love this one. سندير مصبانة هذا. ايوه أو في كلمة ADHD. even remember. الوغ ميمكنش توقع هذاك الشيء اللي بغيتي يجي فين غتحطو. Should I censor that? Should I not censor that? I don't know. But you need to make space. ضروري خاصك to make space. إلا أنا الفاليز ديالي عندي غير هاد الفاليز which is my life, okay? وغادي تهز غير هاد القد ديال الحوايج capacity ديالها. I cannot go collect everything around. ما يمكنش. خاصني إذا أنا باغا a new dress, a fancy dress, I need to make space for that dress in my suitcase, which means I have to get rid of stuff, even if they meant a lot to me, even if they have a lot of memory, even if at a certain point I resonated with them, but that's not the case anymore. It's okay. ما كاين حتى شي عيب في ان ما خاصش اصلا يكون عيب في الموضوع. ما كاين حتى شي عيب في ان الانسان كبر وتبدل. اوف كورس كنكبروا وكنتبدلوا. هادشي اللي جينا اصلا to this life. It doesn't make sense انك تجي وتبقى كيف ما انت your whole life. It doesn't make sense. وبما انك ما غاديش تبقى the same person your whole life, ما يمكنش نفس الحوايج ولا نفس العادات او نفس الانفيرونمون، نفس الصحاب، نفس البارتنرز to resonate with you. Forget الفيرجنز ديالك. That means you need to change. Even living situations, houses, areas, cities, things change. If I'm in a hustle mode, I'm not gonna stay in where I am right now because this is a chill place. This is where I come to chill. So logically, when I'm in a hustle mode, I'm gonna go to a hustle city because the vibe just resonates, you know? Choosing right doesn't always feel good. This is something to remember. But like, it's very important to know that endings and beginnings are literally two faces of the same coin. So automatically, when you say goodbye to something, you're saying hello to something else, something better, most of the time. But even when we know that an ending is good, even when we know that we needed it, it can still hurt. It can still feel heavy. You can still feel grief and gratitude at the same time. That's okay. Because here's the thing, memories, comfort, nostalgia, they don't just disappear because you're ready to move on. They take their sweet time. But don't let them hold you back. Because it's just the familiarity of them. There is really nothing there, and the brain sometimes كيجمل شي حوايج بزاف that we start to forget that they weren't as good in reality. So don't let the brain trick you. Feel your grief. Take your time as much as you need. But today I am letting go of anything that does not serve me anymore. Well, metaphorically and physically. So, أنا جلبت شو ما تعرفوني في مشيت. شريتها في الشارع and I actually love it. It's vintage. So yeah, I'm going to continue this on my own because I have nothing more to say to you. If you needed the ending, go ahead and end the shit. Just end it, you know, like fuck it. Just fuck it. Fuck feeling good. You will feel actually good. Later, it's like being on fucking drugs, you know? Some things are like being on fucking drugs. So the end then is literally your recovery process, and you will be okay. Everything is going to work out for you. You have nothing to fear. That's just your brain trying to keep you in your comfort zone to protect you. It is okay. Trust me, I've done this shit a million times. At this point, I'm just chilling, you know, it's just another, what is today? Saturday, another weekend. You will be fine. You'll be fine, okay? Let's move on, you know? Let's choose ourselves. Bye.
There's something inside you right now that's bigger than your current circumstances, bigger than your current schedule, bigger than your current habits, your current circle, your current fears. And you know it, you felt it in quiet moments, in those flashes of insight, in those long stretches of discontent where you start to wonder if the life you're living is the life you're meant for.